Positively Fox 47, your first local late news. Fox 47 News at 9 starts now.
Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Cammie Raisler.
And I'm Zach Fuller.
A major update from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention today. It's the news fully vaccinated people have been waiting for.
The CDC says fully vaccinated people no longer need to physically distance from others or wear a mask both outside and inside in most situations. However, the agency says fully vaccinated people should still wear masks while on public transportation, in healthcare settings, or at a business that requires them. Also, those who have compromised immune systems are urged to talk to their doctors before ditching their mask, but the CDC says fully vaccinated people should wear their mask if they develop COVID-19 symptoms. The CDC defines someone as being fully vaccinated if 2 weeks has passed after their second dose in a 2-dose vaccine or 2 weeks after a single-dose vaccine.
With this announcement, Minnesota Governor Tim Walz followed up earlier tonight with new guidance for the state.
Our Noah Kaplan is tracking that development and joins us from the newsroom with the latest. Noah.
Zach, Cammie, in response to the CDC's updated guidance, Governor Walz will be lifting the statewide mask mandate by tomorrow morning.
It's a good day. It's another one of those moves in Minnesota and across the country of a back towards normalcy.
The CDC's announcement Thursday caught his administration off guard.
We anticipated they would be coming with more guidance around the masking, especially. And keeping in mind, CDC has no mandates. They have recommendations. We've chosen to follow the science, listen to CDC for the most part, and then adapt them to Minnesota that made best. But we didn't get a heads up.
With the mandate being eliminated, a new challenge might be figuring out who is and isn't vaccinated. The governor noted how Minnesotans are capable of making their own decisions, especially when it comes to getting the vaccine.
And I think we're at a point right now where we've asked all along, and now we're really asking that, for people to show respect for their neighbors and the personal responsibility to get this because we have such a large number vaccinated.
Governor Walz continues to urge Minnesotans to take precautions in order to protect others.
Please keep in mind, there are those amongst us, and especially our younger people, that are not authorized to get the vaccine yet. And those that might be immunocompromised, they can't get the vaccine. And so if you're not fully vaccinated and you may be asymptomatic, we want to make sure we're protecting our neighbors again there. But
Walz says he'll sign an executive order in the morning, officially lifting the state's mask mandate. Cammie?
All right, Noah Kaplan, thanks so much. So